Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can download Hugo on your Windows computer. Hugo latest version, it requires either Windows 10 or Windows 11. That means the latest operating system. So let's see how we can download this thing. Hugo is the world's fastest framework for building website. To download it, we just need to access the Hugo website download link. At first we open a Google browser, a Google Chrome browser, and then I'm going to access google.com, this website, and inside the search box I'm going to type Hugo download, and I'm going to press the enter key of our keyboard. So once I press the keyboard, it is showing like this installation page. We just need to click here to access the main installation page. Here you will find different versions of installation method like Mac operating system, Linux, BSD, Windows. Our plan was to install or download whatever you can say from for the Windows computer. So to download it, basically we need to click Windows, and here you will find the download page for Windows. But here it's not easy to find the download link, find out the download link. And here we see that there are two versions are there. So this is the extended edition and extended or deploy edition. So there are two editions are there. Okay, so over there they mention over there. Now we are going to download the latest version. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the pre-built binaries. For Windows computer we need definitely this thing. This is the easiest way, but there is another approach also, but I'm not going to show the complicated process here. So here they mention there is a latest release page. So what we need to do, we need to access this page to download Hugo. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to open in a new tab, and that page will be opened. So here you will find there are different versions of Hugo is there, but which one we need to install or download? That's the main question, right? To install, at first we need to download that thing, right? So let's download the correct version of Hugo. So there are different versions as I told you, but for Windows development the best approach is to download the extended version. So how you can find from a list of download link from here? The easiest way, just press command key or control key of your keyboard and control find, and then it will be like this. And here you just need to type on keyword like extended, and you'll find all the extended Hugo is there. So from here we need the Windows version. So if you check carefully, one of them will be the Windows version. So this is the Windows version, Hugo extended, and this is the version number, and this is the Windows 64-bit machine. To download this version, we just need to click here and it will be starting downloading. But before downloading, it will ask us to add this file. Which location? I'm going to click downloads folder because I want to download it to that location, and then I'm going to press save button. And this is not very big file, and once the download is finished you will get a confirmation message. Okay, and here it is showing that it is this size and done. That means this is downloaded successfully. Now we can access of that folder and we can check the download zip file. So I'm going to open the downloads folder from my computer, and then I'm going to click downloads, and here I'm going to we are seeing that this is the software which we downloaded. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily download the Hugo software for our Windows machine. Now we can use it to start the installation. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can install it for your Windows computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.